Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homemade and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope you love my cake designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these types of design, in these types of video. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful idea and beautiful creativity. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. If you see more idea specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs are amazing, stylish, beautiful and creative. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are amazing, look so attractive. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. You can choose each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary or another celebrations. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Buy the simple and beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or another celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself, people around you.